So welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, simply click on Start Lab. Now just right click over here and open the console incognito window. Now click on I understand. Now simply come to the lab instruction and come to task number 1. Now from here, we have to navigate to the VM instance. From Compute Engine, just select VM instance. Now download this RDP to your local system. Once downloaded, double click over here and click on Connect. Now here, it's asking for user and password. So just click on it, use a different account, come back again, enter username as demo user, click on OK. Now here, if you get error, just retry again after a minute. Just click on yes. So finally, our RDP connection is now live. Now, what you need to do, we have to just wait for a few seconds. From here, just click on the search box. Just type command prompt. Right click over here, run as administrator. We are doing all things in the VM instance. Now once this is live, open it like this and then simply come over here, select it, paste over here. After that, just change the directory. If it is not working, what you can do, close it again. Come over here again, just type command prompt, right click, run as administrator again, allow. Now minimize it again and just follow step by step. Run it. Okay. Now just change the directory. Now create a file name content. After that, we have to modify the landing page. So just run this notepad command. Now here we have to paste this content over here. Once all these things are done, just click on File, Save. So it is successfully saved. Once it is saved, we have to just edit the Docker file also. So just run the notepad command again and add the files over here and just save it. Now build the images. Come over here, just build it. Hit enter. It will take some time to complete. See, if you're getting any error, just restart the lab and try again, or you can just redo all the steps. Sometimes what happens, it does not respond. In such cases, we have to just rerun the command again, or we need to just close the command prompt and reopen it as an administration. Like I just saw you the error. So just wait for some more time. Let's see whether we are able to get the score or not. And if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description. It will take some time. Wait for it. So if it loads for longer, you can just hit enter and see whether the poll is completed or not. Okay, and wait for some more time because this lab is taking a little bit more time over here. You can see all the things are being done over here. So if you get any error, you can just retry again and you can simply do one thing, hit enter. Okay, if it just hangs, means the system hangs, then you have to simply hit enter and try again. So this was a quick thing. And finally, we have done the lab. Now you can close it and simply check the score. So this is how we completed the lab. If you like the video, just subscribe the channel and have a great day.